Hi my beautiful loves, I wanted to share with you my in-flight beauty routine. Now before I get into it, I ended up doing a voiceover because the audio was pretty bad and you could only mostly hear the air that was coming through rather than my voice. And even right now I have a summer cold, so it's pretty scratchy and this is as loud as my voice will get, but I thought I'd still do a voiceover for you so that I could get this tutorial up and you guys could enjoy it with me. So I was traveling for about 22 plus hours and was pretty tired, exhausted. As soon as I sat down, I basically passed out. Now, if you're wondering where I had traveled to, it was Pakistan, and I was there for morning shows and appearances and so on and so forth. So my initial goal that I had planned was to remove my makeup as soon as I sat down and then fall asleep. But since I was so exhausted, I pretty much just passed out as soon as I sat down, and I was asleep for a good chunk of the flight. It was probably like a 16-hour sleep or nap, whatever you want to call it. And then I had actually forcefully woken myself up because I wanted to film this video for you and a few others, and also just kind of relax and enjoy the little last bit of my flight. So getting back into the beauty skincare routine in flight, it's basically the only products that I had left on my face at this point was mascara, and whatever else that was left on my face was dry, cracking, and flaking off. So I basically then wanted to make sure I still had everything, any product that was left on, I wanted to make sure that that is taken off. So I started off with removing the mascara, and I took the green Farmacy cleansing balm and basically massaged that into my skin just like you would as a moisturizer. And this basically removes all makeup, and it's great for traveling since it's not liquid. Next, I took a Neutrogena wipe and wiped away the balm, and took another wipe to make sure that there wasn't any makeup left. Then, to make sure I had a really clean face, I took my Pacifica Seafoam Complete Wash, and this is a great cleanser for removing makeup. I basically had it in a little travel bottle. I took that with me to the bathroom and gave my face a really nice wash. And next, I applied an intense moisturizing mask by Lancome, and I think how you pronounce the type of mask this is, it's Genefique. And I struggled a bit trying to figure out how and which way to apply the mask on because of the mesh knit thing that's on it. But I finally did figure it out, and I applied it onto my face, and then once I applied it, I basically just rubbed in the mask and made sure like the serum really got into my skin. And then I pretty much just waited for about 20 minutes. I ordered some food, I watched a movie, and basically looked out the window and admiring the beautiful skies. And after that, I removed the mask, I massaged the serum in. Then I took my eye cream, the Shishedo one, and I massaged it into my eye area using my ring finger. And you always want to make sure that you use your ring finger because that is the most gentle touch, and your under eye area is very delicate. It's the thinnest part on your face, so you want to use your ring finger. And after I massaged my eye cream in, I went in with my La Mer moisturizing cream. I lathered that baby on, and I basically put a lot of moisture back into my skin. Next up, I also applied the SummerFridays Jet Lag mask, and I also applied my EOS chapstick. Then I finished the look with my all-time favorite face oil, which is the Kora oil. Now, the goal is to add as much moisture as you can since the air in the airplane dries out your skin so much. Well, loves, that completes my in-flight beauty routine. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what travel products are your favorites in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!